Hey guys, welcome back to Talking eBay. And today, yes, I finally got the swag box we were waiting for. We're going to do an unboxing on the swag box on the eBay Open 2023. Now, if you didn't see the eBay Open 2023, it was a great conference and a lot of good information. And if you did a survey every single day you did the conference, you got swag, certain upgrades of swag. And if you did all, I think three of them, you got swag and $25 gift card. So I did everything. So hopefully everything is in here. So stay tuned. We're going to show you what I got in the box. And at the end, we're doing the drawing for the free tumbler. So stay to the end. Watch to the end of the video. We're doing a drawing. So stay tuned to that. And let's see what we got in the box. So let's open it up. First thing we got was thank you for attending eBay Open 2023. That was nice of them. That's all sitting here in the box. It's a large box. There's quite a few things in here. We're going to go over exactly what's in the box. So let's just pull out a couple things at a time. Let's see what's in here. All right. The first thing we have is a pair, and they told you what you were going to get, but it's cool to see it in person. eBay pom-poms. Go, eBay, go. So this is the eBay pom-poms, and here they are. So it says eBay right here. eBay pom-poms. And these are really cool. So you can just, next time you go to eBay conference, you can take these with you and shake them around. Well, that's cool. So this came in the box. This is the one thing they were giving away. So a set of eBay pom-poms. That's in the box. Put that to the side. Next cool thing they got is this bag. Little tote bag. This is tools. So some people just got the tools. Some people just got the pom-poms. Some people just got certain things. So here's a set of tools. So like it was like an upgraded thing. So the first thing you would get like the tools, and you would get pom-poms, and it would gradually keep going up. And inside the bag is tools to be an eBay seller. That's what it says in here. Put that to the side. And what's in the tools for eBay seller is an eBay branded tape measure. That's in here. An eBay. This is like to get off labels and stuff, looks like a spatula or like a cake batter thing. That's the kind of material. That's hard plastic. This is to get off your labels, take off some shipping labels, pricing labels. That's what this is for. This is actually really nice quality and well branded eBay, as you can see here. Also, a fuzzerator. It's a lid brush, basically. And everything is all eBay branded. It took about 3 weeks to get, so I'm sorry for the delay. And here it is right here. A little lid brush right here. It's yeah, it's kind of cool. eBay branded, as you can see. Pops up and down. And that's to take off your fuzz and your lint off your packages, off your items before you ship them out. So these are all designed for helping sellers getting off labels, taking measurements, and also this cool pouch, cool bag that did come in. So I'll put that to the side. That's cool. Also, we got a huge eBay bag. Now this is the kind of bag that you would get like at IKEA, right? So this is a similar bag. Very large. You can see here, huge bag. It's got eBay branded handles on it, as you can see, and also it's got a long handle and a short handle. So when you're taking all your packages to the post office, you can use your eBay branded bag, which I actually like this quite a bit. This is actually really nice. Put that to the side. This all came for free, guys, just to let you know, all free. All right, everything in here is free. They didn't charge you a dime for this stuff. Another cool thing you got is another tote bag. This is like a vinyl, a heavy canvas that's embroidered. It says eBay on it. Hopefully you can see that, eBay on it. And it opens up, as you can see here, like a big tote, right? That handles on it, again, same idea. Foldable, portable, all designed for shipping your products. It's got a ridge all around it, like a metal ridge all around it here. And that's what that's for. So that's really cool. I like that. Again, everything folds up nice and easy. I like this gray. So next time they have an eBay Live or in location, you can take this with you, put your stuff in here, and you can travel. So that's cool. Put that over here. I like that. That's actually nice. There's some nice stuff in here, guys. Also, I like this. This is a really cool eBay scarf. Now, this is awesome. I love this. Like, check this out. Look at the colors on this thing, right? This thing is awesome. Look at that. I like these colors. eBay branded right here. And eBay Open 2023. So hopefully you can see that. eBay Open 2023 branded, dated scarf. I love this. I'm definitely keeping this one. I'm going to be wearing this when I go eBay shopping. Maybe not. So that's a scarf that was in here as well. And the bonus is Oh, not yet. eBay branded pin. Forgot that. You get a pin, eBay branded pin. That's cool. I like that. Gonna wear that. That's nice. And the last thing, let's get this box out of the way, is a gift card. So I got all this for attending eBay Open. I got a $25 gift card, which is $25 cash. Got the pom-poms, eBay pin, a scarf, a bag, another bag, measuring tools, all this stuff here. Probably if you had to buy all this separately, $25. This is probably $100 retail for all this stuff eBay gave us for going to eBay Open. That is really super generous. I think this is a fantastic thing that eBay is doing. Thank you, eBay, very much for sending the sellers such cool swag. I appreciate it, eBay Open 2023. Hopefully next year it'll be live in person. I really do hope so. And then I think the hybrid's a good idea. So people who can't make it, but also they should do it also live as well. So that's what I have. All right, guys. So now we're just going to do a quick cutout. We're doing the drawing. Like I told you at the end of this, we're going to see who wins that tumbler. Appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my content on Talking eBay. Hope I'm bringing you some value, some information, and some education. And that's what it's all about. All right, let's get to the winner. Okay, guys, we did a cutaway, and here we are here at the free giveaway. This is the video that I ask everybody to say I'm in or make a comment on this specific page. So we have 114 comments here. This is for this tumbler, this green tumbler. And let's just show you too. It looks like this is what it looks like. And news. There it is right there. Yeah, so that is the tumbler that we are giving away. Subscribers. So leave a comment down below. So everybody left a comment. I hope so. I really appreciate everybody doing that. And 114 comments that I did receive. And thank you very much for entering the contest. I'm going to ship this to you free. So what I'm going to do is once I find the winner, I'm going to make a comment on your profile, send you the question, send you my email, and just send me your address. And we'll get it right out to you. All right, that's it. That's all we got to do. So again, I appreciate everybody. Hope everybody enjoyed the eBay Open 2023. It was fantastic. We had a great time. I met a lot of new friends. Appreciate everybody. We got a lot of new subscribers and a lot of new followers. And everyone, hope I'm bringing you a lot of value and teaching you a little bit about eBay. Doing some more stuff in the future. So definitely like, share, and subscribe. Smash that like button. Also leave a comment, and also don't forget to follow me. Appreciate that as well. Okay, so let's do the winner. So what we do is we take everyone's name here. Okay, so here we are. So we're going to pick a winner right now. So I appreciate everyone who entered the contest. And this is all the comments in the actual video. It's going to pick right from this specific one here. And let's pick a winner right now. And Mark Zelgler. Okay, well, that's what it is. That's what it says. I will contact you and send you an email, my email address, and you send me back your contact information, and we'll verify it's you first, and then we'll send it out to you. And that's what we have. So I appreciate everyone who entered the contest. It means a lot to me. We're doing some more giveaways in the future. Right now, we're just going to continue making some more content and teaching everybody how to use eBay and grow. Appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching Talking eBay. And don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me, guys. Thanks for watching.